Okay, so for this video, I've labeled the primary radio as A and the secondary as B. On the back of my radios, I've put a drop of blue paint in all 4 screw holes of my primary unit and 1 drop of blue in the secondary unit, just so I can kind of tell them apart. And I've also done the other one on my other set of 2, which is red, so that way you can kind of keep the blue and the red apart so you know which one is which. So this is going to go kind of quickly here, but I'll kind of talk you through what's happening. The first step is to turn on both devices with a long press of the power button until it blinks on. Now, the second step, I clear both devices with a simultaneous press of the plus and minus buttons until it rapidly blinks red a few times. So now those are clear. The third step to get them into pairing mode is a long press of the A button on A and B button on the B headset until they rapidly alternate blue and red. The fourth step you just saw there is a single press of the A button on the headset, a single press. The A will start looking for the B headset. When it does, they will both blink blue, letting you know they are in sync with each other. The fifth step is to turn off both headsets by pressing the red button and then the A button, and then I power them back on. I go to my primary and I double click or double press the A button, and it will start searching for the secondary. That's a double click right there. And once they are paired, the A headset will be red and the primary headset will be blue. Depending on where you are, this might take some time, but it should be pairing up here pretty soon. And boom. So that's what I got for you. If you like what you see here, make sure you subscribe. Share this video with other people. I've got more videos coming. As always, be good to the refs.